Hi guys, Steph here. Okie dokie, what we got for you today? Well, one of them is pretty obvious, says Sheaffer on the box, but yeah, they're both Sheaffer pens and they're actually both the same model. The first one, if we open it up for you there, you can see it says Sheaffer to the back there, comes in this lovely blue colour. Okay, and what we've got for you there is a Sheaffer Imperial, and this model being the 330 CT or chrome trim. And what we have is a fountain pen, and in this case a ballpoint pen as well. Okay, so this one's in blue. If we pop that to one side, open this box here, slightly different box as you can see. Still has the Sheaffer to the rear there, and in this particular case what we've got for you again is a Sheaffer Imperial 330 CT fountain pen, and in this case a pencil. Okay, so let's take the fountain pen out, let's take the pencil out, shut the box there, and there we have it. So we've got the pencil here, and that is, as you can see, cap actuated, so you can see the lead coming in and out there. Comes in this, as I said, classic black chrome trim. We've got this quite a large chrome band to the bottom. We've got the very recognisable Sheaffer clip with a white dot. In this particular case you can see it says Sheaffer made in USA. Okay, so that's the pencil. We'll pop that to one side, and here's the fountain pen, once again in classic black. As I say, both sets are the identical model, both being the 330. The only difference being this one is classic black, the other one is in blue. But the size of the pens capped are 131mm capped. Around the diameter of the barrel, it's a nice, just a tad over 11mm in diameter. Once again, if we take you to the just below the cap there, you see it says Sheaffer, and then as we turn it round, made in USA. Okay, so both pens made in USA. If we take the cap off, which is just a friction fit cap, give you a few different angles of the pen. Both in absolutely gorgeous condition, both have been fully cleaned, restored, etc., and both are ready for, well, they'll both be looking for new homes. Let's take you up to this section. You can see we've got the clutch pegs here around the bottom of the section there, and then what you'll notice in this particular case, again, both exactly the same, and both come with these stainless steel inlaid nibs, and it reads, it has Sheaffer to the very top there, and to the very bottom of the nib where it sort of comes to a point, you'll see it says USA. Okay, there's a sideways view, there's the feed underneath. Again, in lovely condition. Both are very nice, comfortable pens to hold, even with my large hands. In fact, what we'll do, it'll be interesting to see how it writes. I'm not going to fill the pen. Let's bring on, there we go, we've got a brand new pad for you people today. And what I'm going to do is just simply do a dip test. So what we have are a pair of Sheaffer, Sheaffer Sheaffer Imperials, and the model number is the 330 CT, which stands for, as we've explained, chrome trim. It's writing very, very nicely indeed. I haven't got a problem with it at all. It's lovely and smooth. As you'd expect with this pen, with the inlaid nibs on these Sheaffers, there's no flexibility on it, but writing very nicely. Very nicely indeed. So there's a writing sample. This particular one is writing with a fine line. You can see it's gone a bit thicker there when I dipped it, so the ink may have flown a little bit more, but on a whole the pen is writing with a fine line. So what we'll do, we'll in fact we'll get a little bit of tissue, just give it a wipe, and then we'll clean it out after the video. So there we have it. We're going to keep it nice and brief. We've got two sets looking for new homes, one in classic black, one as you saw earlier in the blue. One is a pencil, the blue one is a ballpoint pen, and incidentally they both fill with, in fact I don't think I've actually put one in here, but no, I haven't. You can see at the moment there's no cartridge or converter in this particular pen, but if we show you the blue one, okay, there we go. Let's just show you the blue one there. You can see in this lovely navy blue. As I say, both identical, both have got the stainless steel inlaid nib, but in this particular case this pen has got the Sheaffer converter, and what we do is dip the nib in the ink and we press on this button here. Okay, so it's got like a, well, I'd term it like a, I don't know, it's not an aerometric, but it's Sheaffer's own converter. By pressing the button, there's a sack inside and a bar that compresses it. But what we'll do, we'll find one for the black pen as well, so that they both will have a converter when they go to the new home. So I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pens. As always, as much as I enjoy showing them to you, leave a comment below. Don't be shy. Subscribe. Have you subscribed? No? Well, subscribe now. And don't forget, give the video down there, press that thumbs up button if you enjoy it. And don't forget, wherever you are, please stay safe. But for now, I'll just say bye bye for now.